Segatep was founded in Huizhou City, Guangdong Province, China. Focuses on computer peripheral solutions, including computer cases, power supply, and PC cooling, spanning the entire supply chain from research and development, procurement to intelligent manufacturing, online and offline sales, brand operations, and customer service. Segatep factory covers an area of about 5,367 square meters, including office, production, storage, living and sports zone, AE industry. There are experienced workers in the factory's existing production line, from the production, assembly, testing, and inspection of products. There are experienced workers to operate and complete SOP processes, to ensure the products pass complete and strict quality tests. Segatep have professional research and development groups that can fully support to our services. We widely link to enterprise level, personal level, and professional level customers, and respond promptly to their needs. The rich product line can meet the needs of customers for one-stop purchasing and targeted marketing. Segatep's own warehouse can accommodate a wide range of products, flexible inventory management, and clear product display to ensure the efficiency of our product storage and shipment. Contribute to building a greener earth with our superior, innovative and low power consumption electrical energy solutions. Segatep is looking forward to the successful cooperation with you.